In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 450 by 15 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 4. It is less than 15. That is why we will consider the number 45. From the multiplication table of 15, we know that 15 times 3 is 45. Subtract, we get a 0. As 0 is less than 15, that is why we need to bring down this number 0 here. Now see that this is the number 0. So we need to remove one 0. And we know that 15 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 450 divided by 15 is equal to 30. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.